ICCT Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. iCoreConnect is sitting at 17.5 cents. It's like 8.6% up. So where the heck are we heading next? I'll specifically just mention that this is a bearish market, man. Like, it is quite of a bearish one. I mean, it's not the best trading thing ever. Like, it's not volatile at all. It's just here, you know. I've done 32,000 videos and I've spent thousands of dollars on course trips. As a result, the strategy has delivered thousands of predictions. With ICCT specifically, you bet it's a bearish market. Now, this is still going to hold power. Still bearish market for me. And that's it. I mean, there's nothing else that I would say. When is it not going to be a bearish market for me, if that's the question? If it starts breaking above 71 cents. That's it. Let me know what is your opinion on that. If you want to make money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. And I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.